Are your eyes sharp enough to rival a superhero's? Let's find out with this ultimate eyesight challenge. While you might not be cutting through steel with heat vision, your eyes are still the windows to your soul. So, are they crystal clear, or do they need a little polishing? This test will take you through 4 stages, each more challenging than the last. The first stage might seem like a breeze, and if you actually see a breeze, we might have a problem. But as you progress, it'll demand more focus and sharpness. In fact, only 8% of people manage to conquer stage 4. It's that tough. The task remains the same for every question in all stages. Find the odd one out among 10 colors. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch. To pass each stage, you must correctly identify the odd one in every single task. One slip up, and you fail the entire stage. Hey, Russia. Just concentrate and let's see if your eyesight is truly extraordinary. Stage 1, sharpen those eyeballs. This one is as easy as pie, not literally, no pies here. Spotting the odd one out should be a breeze. Done? Great. That was just a warm up. Don't feel too accomplished yet. 97% of people succeed at this stage. Stage 2, time to level up. This stage demands a little more focus. Let me take a closer look. I see it. It's number 10. Did you spot it too? If you nailed this stage, give yourself a thumbs up. You're officially part of the 55% with healthy average eyesight. Stage 3. Now we're getting serious. The challenge is tougher, with barely noticeable differences between the colors. These 50 shades of turquoise are really putting your eyes to the test, aren't they? Found it? Fantastic. You've joined the 30% of people who conquered stage 3. And if you stumbled here, don't worry, it's all about practice. Keep watching to learn how to boost your visual skills. Stage 4, this is the final frontier. Brace yourself, because this stage could reveal a hidden superpower within you. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? Oh, let's go. Ready, set, go. Wait a second. Are you kidding me? These colors look identical. Who could have guessed this was the odd one out? Maybe my screen needs cleaning. Hold on. Nope, still baffling. I was so sure it was number 4. Wait, what? Unbelievable. Done and dusted. Huge congratulations to all the superhumans who made it through stage 4. Your eyesight is truly phenomenal. Only 8% of people pass this stage, and you absolutely crushed it. There's even a chance you're a tetrachromat. What's that? It's a fancy term for people who have extra receptors in their eyes, allowing them to see more shades of color than the average person. Pretty cool, huh? Now, it's your turn to share your results. Did you breeze through all 4 stages? The melancholy. Or did one of them trip you up? No worries if it did. Let's talk about it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by hitting that like button and sharing it with your friends to see who has the sharpest eyes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future updates. Bye!